Mrs. Mason and I had some fun reviewing subtraction before all this social distancing happened. So, here we go. Subtraction. It's easy, right? Did you know Arizona has a hockey team called the Coyotes? We don't have a lot of ice here, but we do have a team. They play on a rink. They have 2 goals. They got the red line. The red line is where the 2 teams face off. Speaking of facing off, we're going to face off. I'm going to pick 2 numbers. I'm going to subtract them. So let's go ahead and face these 2 numbers off. 225 minus 623. This is pretty easy. 5 minus 3, 2 minus 2, 2 minus 6, 402. So
no. Into the penalty box with you. Go. No. This is not how you do subtraction. We're going to use Heller's paw here and erase this mess. Everybody knows that when you do subtraction, you have to start with the bigger number on the top. So, 623, it has to be on the top. 623 minus 225. A common mistake in subtraction is to say that 3 minus 5 is 2, but that's not true. If there's more on the floor, you have to go next door and get 10 more. So here, there's more on the floor. So we go next door to the 2. We're going to borrow one of the 10s from the 2. So now we only have 1 10 left. And we're going to take that 1 10 and we're going to put 10 ones next door. So this, instead of 3 ones, it now has 13 ones. We can take 13 ones minus 5 ones, and what do we get? You're right, we do get 8. Now we have 1 10. 1 10 minus 2 10s, we can't do that either. More on the floor, go next door, get 10 more. So we're going to go to the hundreds place. We had 6 in the hundreds place, but we're going to borrow one of those hundreds, and now we only have 5 hundreds. And we're going to move one of those hundreds over, and we're going to turn it into 10s. So move 10 10s, and we already have 1 10. So 10 10s plus 1 more 10 is 11 10s. 11 10s minus 2 10s is 9. All right, 500 minus 200, that's easy. 500 minus 200, that's 3. And the answer is 398. That's how you do subtraction. Okay. My penalty's over, right? I can come back in? I got this. I can do this. I'm going to take the next 2 numbers. 241 and 400. Okay, I've learned the large number has to go on top. 400. The small number goes on the bottom. Okay, now these 2 can face off. What did she say? More on the floor, go next door, get 10 more. Okay, now I got 10. 10 minus 1, 9. 0 minus 4. More on the floor. More on the floor, go next door. 10 minus 4, 6. 3 minus 2, 1. 169. Subtraction is so easy. No.
No,
Penalty number 2. Oh,
big
no.
number on top.
Bye. You did that right. Oh, what's the rest? Is wrong. It's okay. Howler will help us erase again. All right. He did start correctly. He started with a big number on the top. 400 minus 241. All right, he did that good. Well, he did it well. All right. 0 minus 1. He was right. More on the floor, go next door. Oh, but our neighbor has nothing to give. So we have to borrow from the 4. We had 400s, we're borrowing 100. We only have 300s left. And that 100 that we borrowed goes next door, and it gets 10 tens. All right, now can I take 0 minus 1? No, I still can't, because there's still more on the floor. So I go next door. Our neighbor has 10 tens. Well, we're going to borrow one of those tens, and now our neighbor gets 9 tens. And we get 10 ones. And there's no ones here already, so this is just 10 ones. All right, 10 ones minus 1 1 is 9. 9 tens minus 4 tens, 5 tens. 300s minus 200s is 100. 159.
I'm not doing too well here. I think I need to use some pictures. Okay, 522 minus 368. I'm going to use squares for hundreds. So I have 500s. Then I need 20, so 2 groups of 10. We'll take these hockey sticks. And then I need 2 ones, so I'll make 2 pucks for the ones. So I have 222 minus 368. Okay. 8 is too much. Well, first I should actually write this here. Minus 368. More on the floor, go next door. I'm going to take one of these hockey sticks and move it over here so I have 10 more. 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now I have 10. I have to take 8 of them away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which leaves me with 2. Okay, here. 6, take away 1, more on the floor, go next door, take one of these hundreds, ungroup it, and I get 10. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. That leaves me with 4. Okay, next. 3. Take away 3. And I have 1 left. 142. See, pictures make everything so much easier. Are you kidding me?
I'm so sorry.
No.
No.
No, I did this right. I know I did this right. I used the pictures, go next door, get 10 more.
You put the bigger number on the top. Good job. You knew to go next door and get 10 more. Good job. Okay. However, when you did your pictures and you moved 10 over, you didn't move 10 over.
No,
you
look.
just
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah. What about the 2 that were there before?
What do you mean? I have to count those two?
You got to count those 2. Okay. So we're gonna try again.
Do I have to go back into the penalty
penalty box? 3rd time's a charm. Two minus 8. We can't do it. There's not enough dots to take away. So we go next door. We take this 10 and we make it 10 ones. Don't worry about these that are here. Those get to stay there. We're going to take this one and we're going to make 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so we really have 12 ones. 12 hockey pucks. 12 ones. All right. And we are going to take away, subtract. We're going to subtract 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So, if I look at this number over here, what we really did was we took away, we went next door, we got 10 more, we took away a 10, we only have 1 10 left, and we gave this number 10 ones, so now we have 12 ones, and 12 ones minus 8 ones is 4 ones. Alright, so far so good. Now we're going to take away the tens place. We have 1 10 left, and we're going to take away 6 tens. Oh, no, that doesn't work. More on the floor, go next door, get 10 more. We're going to take this 100, and we are going to borrow 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When I move my tens, the 10 that's already there, it doesn't count. It gets 10 more anyway. And we're going to take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. 5 tens. So, over here, we have 6 tens that we want to take away. 1 10 minus 6 tens. More on the floor, go next door, get 10 more. So, we had 5 hundreds. We now have 4 hundreds. We're going to borrow 10 tens, plus the one that's already there is 11 tens. 11 tens minus 6 tens is 5 tens. That's what we have so far. Alright, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds, and we're going to take away 3 hundreds. 1, 2, 3 hundreds leaves us with 100 left. 4 minus 3 equals 1. 154, 154, they match.
Now, if subtraction is hard for you, like it obviously is for me, I've been in the penalty box pretty much all day. You can turn it into adding. Let me show you how. I'm actually good at adding. I don't think any penalties are going to be called today for this. I'm going to start with my small number, and I'm going to work towards my bigger number. The first step I'm going to do is I'm going to make 10 with my ones place. So 8 plus something equals 10. So now my 368 becomes 370. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm trying to get to this number. I'm going to get 70 and equal it out to 100. So make 10 with 7. That's going to be plus 30. And now I'm at 400. I'm getting closer. My ones place, I can see I only need 22 more. Now I'm at 422. The only thing I need left is my hundreds place to match up. And it's easy. It's just going to be plus 100. Now I take my top numbers and I add all those together. So 100 plus 22 plus 30 plus 2 should give me my answer. 154. So see, you can add instead of subtract and still get the difference. How'd I do?
Nice job.
Hey, thanks for teaching me about subtraction.
No problem. We wouldn't want you skating on thin ice teaching your kids around in front of the principal.
That's true. I do not like being in the penalty box, so I think I'm good now. I won't be in there.
Well, in case you need to put any of your kids in the penalty box, I will let you handle that.
I could have some fun with that. In the penalty box, in the penalty box, in the penalty box.
But remember how you felt.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, I got an idea. Do you want to go to the game tonight?
Sure, we might as well. We're already dressed for it.
Nice.